Welcome to the year 2025 where your grandma has a TikTok channel, your dog has better engagement than your business, and your coffee shop needs an Instagram ad to sell a cappuccino. So, today, I'm diving into a life-saving question. What is digital marketing? And no, it's not just posting memes and hoping for sales. Let's break it down. Digital marketing means using the internet devices, apps, and even AI to reach humans, and sometimes, bots, pretending to be humans. If you've seen an ad for shoes right after just thinking about shoes, congratulations. You've just been digitally marketed. Why does this even matter? Because your open soon banner on the shop isn't going to reach the guy scrolling Instagram 18 hours a day. In 2025, everyone is online. Even your cat probably has a LinkedIn profile now. So, to actually reach people, you go digital. Let me break down the main areas of digital marketing in a way even your cousin with zero clue will understand. First up, SEO, search engine optimization. Think of SEO like impressing Google. You make your website so friendly and helpful that Google says, hey, this guy deserves to be on page 1, approved. Next, social media marketing. That's posting on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X, but not just random selfies. It's posts that engage, sell, and stop thumbs from scrolling. Then there's content marketing. That's writing blogs, making videos, or even memes that make people say, I learned something. And I kinda like this brand. And yes, email marketing is still alive in 2025. You send emails not like spam, but like that wise friend who whispers, hey buddy, 30% off today just for you. PPC, pay-per-click ads. You pay Google or Facebook to show your ads. But remember, you pay per click. So if your ad is boring, you'll lose your money and your dignity. And of course, influencer marketing. You pay someone popular to say, guys, I use this shampoo and now my hair speaks 5 languages. And guess what? People buy it. Now in 2025, we have tools smarter than your ex. From ChatGPT for writing, Canva for Design Meta Ads Manager, and Google Analytics that spies better than the FBI. And don't forget, AI-generated TikToks with virtual influencers. Yes, robots are now influencing humans. So how do you start as a beginner? Don't panic. Digital marketing isn't rocket science, it's more like organized stalking with permission. Here's your step-by-step first. Learn one skill like SEO or social media. Practice on your own brand or a friend's. Learn free from YouTube blogs or this charming video you're watching now. Track your results. Learn. Repeat. Digital marketing in 2025 is not just a job, it's a superpower. And guess what? You don't need a cape, just Wi-Fi consistency and a little help from people like me. Now go, brave marketer. May your bounce rate be low and your conversions high. Like this video if you've been stalked by ads. Subscribe if your future is digital and comment below. Marketing is the new magic.